Hello and welcome to today's webinar, Deploying a Data Protection Program in Less than 120 Days, featuring Mike Ring from Jabil. My name is Brian Mullins with Digital Guardian and I'll be your moderator today. Throughout our presentation, we encourage you to type in questions and comments using the questions pane in the lower right of your screen. We will be answering your questions right after the presentation. And I'll answer one question we get up front. Yes, we're making a recording of today's session, and we'll be making the recording and the slides available to you in the next few business days. So let's talk about the agenda. Mike Ring from Jabil will be the lion's share of today's presentation. Mike will talk for about 25-30 minutes on Jabil's experience deploying a data protection program quickly and effectively. Then we'll have Mark Stevens from Digital Guardian give a 10-minute overview of the company and our solution, and then we'll leave 10-15 minutes at the end for a Q&A with Mike and Mark. So a quick introduction of Mike. He has over 15 years of experience in information security. At Jabil, he's the Senior IT Manager of Threat and Solution Architecture, and he's responsible for overseeing their enterprise security architecture, designing new security solutions, leading security, a team of both security analysts and a team of IR team, and then he manages their major security vendors. So without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Mike.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I'm going to start with an overview of Jabil. Jabil is a global manufacturing services company with almost 200,000 employees, almost $20 billion in revenue currently. Multiple BUs cover everything from very advanced tooling sets for next generation mobile device components, final assembly of mobile devices, plastics, packaging, healthcare devices, enterprise computing, enterprise storage, and then even down into the pizza ovens, washing machines. We make it for multiple customers all over the world. Jabil security situation. So we had a new CISO last year, and he came in, and we kind of took an overview of everything, and we found that Jabil still was sort of attached to that legacy perimeter-based approach of security, of the one-size-fits-all centralized control mindset, and it just wasn't working. We'll get into this a little later, but the company tends to lean forward towards technologies and capabilities. Our customers ask us to lean forward. The customer mix across business units has different requirements, wildly different requirements, so none of that really worked. When we started thinking about data, we realized we lacked basic processes around data classification, data control. When we tried to figure out what we needed to protect, we realized that it could be anything. The intellectual property could be really anything depending on where we were in the company, what that business unit was doing.